Amazing return, guys. 780% profit in the private list. Last 48 hours we trade Rarible, Rari Governance, Trias, PARSIQ, Ferrum Network, ACENT, Dogecoin, and Pawtocol. Guys, we trade coin running in high volume, guys. Take a look at this volume here on Dogecoin. $7 billion, $7.6 billion. That's how you make money, guys. You make money trading penny coins that they pump. Take a look at this chart here. Price go flat and pump. Let me show how it's done. In order to find those trades, guys, I have to combine volume spike plus buyer power. And I know the words, that's what happened. Okay? Rarible. I shared this trade in the private list on yesterday. We bought this coin for $2.16 and you put a sell order here, $5. Guys, 132%. I made $13,000 in this trade. Next trade recap, it's Dogecoin, guys. Shared this trade in the private list on October 25th. We bought this coin for 6 cents and you put a sell order right here, $13.5. We made 120%. I made $12,000. Guys, in order to find those coins before the big pump, that is the pre-pump. I got an alert from Rarible on October 27, guys. I was just waiting for the buyer power because I got the pre-pump here plus volume spike, and the buyer power happened right here when I share in the private list. That's how you make money, guys. You do the smart money. Most of the people, they are losing money right now because they are trading they are buying Dogecoin right now on the top. You never do that. This is a big mistake, guys. Another thing, guys, if you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. I'm gonna share this information with you, and also reach me out and ask for your free trade platform, guys. You don't have to pay $600 on TradeView per year. I'm gonna provide you a free trade platform and gonna teach you every single line in this, how you're gonna use it, and you already save $600. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. My name is Daniel. I live in South Beach, Miami. You're welcome to show up and pay me a dinner, by the way. Thanks for your time and have a blessed day. Bye bye, guys.